Want to send USDC to your Phantom wallet? Here is a quick step-by-step guide using a centralized exchange like Coinbase or Binance. Now, the first step is you need to buy Solana-based USDC or something like that. So you need to get USDC SPL or something from a separate exchange like Coinbase if you have that, or you can go to crypto.com and then make sure you choose Solana as the network. Then buying USDC on the wrong chain may result in lost funds. Now, after that, just go to your Phantom wallet and click receive. So let me zoom in to the steps here. And after you go to your Phantom wallet and click receive, then choose Solana to copy the wallet address. Now go back to your exchange, select withdraw USDC and paste your Phantom Solana address and confirm the transaction. Once the transaction is complete, you'll see your USDC in Phantom in just a few minutes. Always test with a small amount to make sure the transfer is working properly.